Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about function templates with multiple types, part of programming in C++ course. Function templates can also be written to work with multiple data types. In this case, the template parameters can be of different data types. Here is an example of a function template with multiple type parameters. In this example, the print function template takes two arguments of different data types, T1 and T2, and prints them on the screen. The main function calls the print function with different combinations of data types, an integer and a string, and floating point numbers. The compiler generates separate code for each function call using the appropriate data types for T1 and T2. This allows you to write a single function definition that works with multiple combination of data types rather than writing separate functions for each combination of data types. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.